draw for you a beautiful baby doll. How to draw a cute doll? Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Here I will show you how to draw a beautiful doll in a very easy way. I draw the doll. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using watercolor to color this beautiful doll. I am using brown color for hair. Now I am using deep pink color for doll's legs and her bows. Let's use the yellow color to cover these beautiful dots. Here I am using red color to make this dress red pretty dress. Now I am using light pink color for doll's skin color. Wow, the doll is looking so cute and so beautiful. You should also try it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.